Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of our brand new boats, 2019 Sea Ray 230 SPX. Sorry about the road noise, we're actually right next to the highway. But anyways, we'll go through the boat, point out some of the options. As you can see here, this one does have the color gel coat, absolutely beautiful. Very sleek lines to the boat. The 23 has been really popular for us because it has very minimal draft and extremely reliable. Mercury 200. This is going to be your new model of the Mercury right here. We've had very good reviews. Very good luck with them. A lot of technology there. This is the upgraded of the white right here. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat, show you some of the cool features on it. Now, one of the benefits of the outboards is that you don't have a lot of room on the inside being taken up by a stern drive. Therefore, it gives you a lot of storage, a lot more cockpit space than you would normally get. So there's tons of room right here. We've got our two tables. So if you're, having drinks or snacks or something, one can go in the aft, one can go in the front of the boat. Nice U-shaped seating all the way around. They use very heavy-duty vinyls as well. So you don't have a whole lot of issues with mold and mildew and things like that. As you can see, no carpeting. So everything's designed for pretty much low maintenance. This one's also going to have your bow cover, full cockpit cover. Can't see it now, I apologize, but it's going to be a fully enclosed head. Sorry about that. That's inside there. Here in the dash, everything's laid out very nicely. If you wanted to add electronics, there's room to do that. With the Verado digital throttle and shift, you also have your tilt steering wheel. On the front of the boat, what I like about it's nice and deep up here. You've got comfort all the way around, full bolsters all the way around here, storage underneath these seats. So for around the west coast of Florida, it's a really popular boat, easily trailerable. Pull up to the beach, go skiing, just relax and have fun with it. So to recap, 2019 Sea Ray 230 SPX, located here at MarineMax in Venice. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. If you'd like any additional information, feel free to give us a call. The number here at MarineMax is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.